Korea's Snow White Go Youn-jung, Chanel's princess. Her tops range from $35 to $11,000. On April 10th, a press conference was held for the upcoming drama Resident Playbook, set to premiere this weekend. Actress Yoon Jung Go appeared at the event, instantly stealing the spotlight with her breathtaking visuals. Her fair, translucent skin and elegant aura once again proved why she's been dubbed the Korean Snow White. Often referred to as Chanel's second princess, Yoon Jung Go attended the event dressed in a full look from the Chanel Spring-Summer 2025 collection. She wore a black and white checkered tweed set consisting of a jacket and matching shorts. The jacket featured luxurious feather embellishments on the cuffs, neckline and hem, with crisp white buttons adding a subtle focal point. The price: a jaw-dropping 15,680,000 Korean wons, approximate $11,500. The bottoms, though skirt-like in appearance, are actually tailored shorts in a wrap design. From the back, especially on the runway, it's clear they are pants. These shorts are priced at 6,560,000 Korean wons, approximate $4,800. Her ensemble exuded elegance, making it perfect even as a guest look for a formal occasion. A sleek ponytail completed the sophisticated styling. Later, Yoon Jung Go also caught attention on social media with her effortlessly stylish daily look. She wore a casual yet chic lambskin leather zip-up blouson from Low Classic, perfect for the spring season. Crafted from soft lambskin with a subtle sheen, the jacket features an oversized silhouette and two-way zipper, allowing for various styling options. It's priced at 679,000 Korean wons, approximate $500. She paired it with jeans and a cozy knit top, creating a clean and wearable daily look that can also be styled with long skirts, shorts or slacks. Yoon Jung Go also showcased a wide range of summer styles in the 2025 summer campaign for Marith Francois Gerbaude, alongside actor Cha Eun-woo. The campaign, titled Summer Dreamers with Marith, highlights everything from vintage logo tees and denim to classic knitwear. Here are some standout pieces worn by Yoon Jung Go in the 2025 summer collection. W Classic Logo Half Knit. Colors: ivory, purple, yellow. Price: 129,000 Korean wons. Features: soft cream base with a faded lavender logo, refined knit texture, and ribbed trim details. Deep neck ringer tee. Colors: white, black, navy. Price: 49,000 Korean wons. Features: white base with light blue accents, embroidered logo, slim silhouette, and durable cotton fabric. Peak puff sleeve tee. Colors: pink, white, navy. Price: 79,000 Korean wons. Features: peach pink peak shirt with minimalist logo and clean buttons, loose fit puff sleeves that flatter any figure. Classic logo tee. Colors: purple, white, cream, green. Price: 49,000 Korean wons. Features: light lavender tone that amplifies pastel vibes, bold center logo, and a semi-loose fit for breathable comfort. This season, Marith Francois Gerbaude's summer collection focuses on tone-on-tone pastels and a minimalist aesthetic, moving away from their usual streetwear to embrace a softer, more refined vibe. Every item Yoon Jung Go wears captures the essence of summer: flattering silhouettes, soothing color palettes, and easygoing comfort, all perfect for everyday elegance. If you want to stay cool and stylish this summer, keep an eye on Marith's fresh new looks this season. Let's wrap up the video with a look at the spring season pictorial. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.